How to avoid duplicate entries on Notion. Tired of duplicate entries cluttering your Notion workspace? Let's fix that step by step. So, start by adding a unique identifier property. Link a reference ID or code. For tasks, use task codes. For expenses, use transaction IDs. This makes duplicates easy to spot. Second is to go ahead and link your relations. So link entries to a master database. If you try to add the same item once, you'll notice it already exists in the relation. After that, create filtered views that group by name or categories. So go ahead and click on this filter button and then go ahead and select this. So go ahead and check if each item on your list only contains one listings. For example, for this specific item, I'll simply set this to contain as this specific item. So as you can see, all of the items that matches this keyword will pop on my screen. So I can easily eliminate the duplicate by clicking on the check in here and then selecting move to trash. And then you can also add a formula property to flag duplicate. So for example, if two entries share the same name, the formula can display a warning symbol. And that is how to avoid duplicate entries on Notion.